Hi, welcome to Pete's Garage. Today, I'm going to be doing brakes on my daily driver. They've been making noise, so it's about time to do it. It's been kind of a lazy couple weeks at Pete's Garage. I got most of my projects drivable, so I haven't really been doing a whole lot other than cleaning and just kind of getting everything back together in the garage. Garage creep is real. So I'll show you a little bit of that. I'll show you the brakes. That'll be easy. I'm going to change the oil on the Suburban, and maybe if I'm motivated later, I'll change the window switch so that my windows will go up and down better. So, on to it. All right. Well, I'm tracking down issues with my power window switch, and I'm pretty sure that when the wires pull out of the harness, it's not going to work. I believe my issues are all these connectors. There's a cover right here that broke. I had a new switch, but I can't find it. I found it. It was in the toolbox in my pickup truck. Brand new. Thank you, LMC truck. Nice and shiny. Contacts are good. We'll definitely use that. I still have to fix the plug. I cannot say this enough. If you're digging into the electrical system of an old vehicle, you must get the factory service manual. Haynes won't do it. This has exactly what I need to identify where all my wires go, what switch they go to, and which direction they push them in. And without this, and all these colors match, by the way. And without this, I would be completely lost trying to figure out how all those connections worked in relationship to how all those wires went into this plug. I could probably work it out and guess, but I'll bet you at least one of my windows would be backwards. So, on to it. job is done. But did it work? So, just because the electrics in this truck are old, I'll start the engine. That was exactly what was causing my windows to not work. That one's still a little slow. I probably need to open up the door and grease the rails. Look, I even got that one to go down a little. Not so good on that. This one's getting better. It goes about halfway down. That's the rails all gummed up. I can hear it catching inside. These windows will work. Alright. After a little bit of spray lube and working the motors a little bit. Look at that. All the windows are down. But the big test, of course, is will they go up? Alright. Right rear. I wouldn't call it fast, but it's fast enough. Left rear. That's fast enough. Right front. Left front. Fixed.